Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia. Before I get started, click that subscribe and turn on post notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. So, it's raining outside. I'm waiting for my papa to get back from the school. So, I need to hold you guys in this hand. And let's see if I can pick this. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to pick this umbrella up. Yeah, I gotta pick it up with this hand and hold it like this. Now I can film with you guys. See? Oh my. It's like raining so bad. So, no. Just dripped. For some reason, this umbrella keeps flying away from me. No, go. Umbrella. Sorry guys, the umbrella's not very safe, so I cannot film with you guys what I'm doing. So bye. I know this is a short video, but bye.